Good day, everyone. Once again, welcome back to our channel. We love hot stuff. First things first, of course, as always, thank you so much to all new subscribers. Thanks so much for subscribing, watching my videos, liking my videos, and yeah, thanks to all my subscribers. I do appreciate each and every single one of you. You all make a difference in our channel. We love hot stuff, and you're helping to make this channel grow and to make this channel a huge success. And yeah, today I've got something different. I've got a nice chocolate fondue with fruit and some marshmallows. I've got here apple, pear, pineapple, banana, strawberries, blueberries, and then blueberry marshmallows with some chocolate fondue, which I'm going to put in some Reaper powders, and we're going to see how this tastes with some nice chocolate.